Hello, welcome to ONES tutorial. Previously, we talked about what's happening during the sprint planning meeting. In today's video, let's delve into another Scrum event, Daily Scrum, and see how to conduct an effective and useful daily Scrum with the help of ONES. When the development team starts working on a sprint, one thing that keeps the team on track is Daily Scrum. This is a daily stand-up meeting that takes place at the same time and place every working day, which is capped at 15 minutes. A daily Scrum aims to review the work yesterday and identify goals and blockers that need to be solved today. Scrum Master and the development team will participate in the meeting, and the PO may be invited if necessary. To make the stand-up more effective, it is suggested to use a task board to visualize all the information needed. Let's have a look at how ONES facilitates your daily Scrum. There are 3 parts in this explanation: before the meeting, during the meeting, and after the meeting. Before the meeting, members should update the status of their work in the system. For example, change the status, priority of each task, or log time spent. All will be visible on the board so the team can identify and discuss the critical information instantly. You can also create a custom board for your project need. For example, if your team is working on the bugs under each requirement, create a requirement bug type board to better visualize how the bugs are fixed so far. When we have a custom board in place, there are a few things to pay attention to. Bottlenecks. Be aware of the columns where there are too many items. That may cause a risk of stocking items. Interruption. When there's nothing going on in a specific column, that might cause an interruption in the sprint, which is something the team should pay attention to. And these get you well prepared for the daily stand-up, so the meeting can be more focused and well-paced. During the meeting, each team member goes through the following questions around the board. First, what I did yesterday. Second, what's the plan today? And third, any impediments. Be aware that don't go into details when reporting. Focus on the progress of issues in the swim lane, based on which we judge the overall sprint progress. Members should also report on the impediments encountered during the sprint, and discuss with the relevant members after the stand-up. Another thing is to note down action items during the meeting, and make sure the whole team is aligned with the updates. After the meeting, the Scrum Master can update what's been discussed on the board, align all the progress with the whole team, and prioritize items to be done that day. Relevant team members can meet immediately for detailed discussion. To sum up, Daily Scrum is an event to inspect and adapt the progress made in a sprint. It increases team transparency and helps clear the obstacles to achieving the sprint goal. Using the right tool, like ONES, to run the meeting is one of the best practices to keep the meeting productive and useful. If any questions, reach out to us at support@ones.com.